The Lute in the Lime Tree. Written by Sally Dixon. Illustrated by June Julie. Mike is by a lime tree.
"I will take my lute,"
says Mike.
"I will go up the tree."
Mike puts a rope in the lime tree. He sits in the tree. His lute makes a din. Finn the fox is by the lime tree.
"It is a din,"
says Finn.
"I will go up the rope."
Dan the dog is by the lime tree.
"It is a din,"
says Dan.
"I will go up the rope."
Fred the frog is by the lime tree.
"It is a din,"
says Fred.
"I will go up the rope."
They all sit in the lime tree. They say,
"The lute makes a din."
Fred, Mike, Dan, Finn.
"I like my lute,"
says Mike. He is sad. Nat the cat is by the lime tree.
"I will go up the rope,"
she says. Nat the cat. Finn,
Fred,
Mike. Nat has the lute.
"We like the lute,"
says Finn.
"I will help you,"
Nat says to Mike. They all like his lute.